Hello everyone, Johnny from Pozotron here, and this is a short tutorial on how to use the annotation filter. This is a new feature we've just recently added, and what it allows you to do is customize what suggestions Pozotron will show you in the proofing section. Let's say I wanted to ignore all of the background noises that Pozotron has flagged in my proofing section. Don't care about those and I just want them all gone. I can go to the annotation filter here. There are instructions that you can follow, but essentially there are 5 different types of annotations that Pozotron will flag. And by clicking any one of them, so in this case I want to go to noises here, if I hit filter, it will automatically ignore all annotations of that type. So if I hit this filter, I'll get a confirmation message saying a total of 9 words will be ignored. Are you sure? I'll hit OK here. You can see it was a success, and the status has changed in certain chapters. So any chapters that contained background noises, those annotations have now been marked as OK or ignored. So if I open up the proofing section here, and I scroll down on the annotations list, I can see there were 3 annotations that are marked as OK. If I inspect these, this is a noise detected, another noise detected, and again a noise detected annotation. So the annotation filter is really handy if you just want to ignore certain types of annotations. There's another feature, a part of it further down, where you can select a minimum amount of words included in an annotation for it to be selected or not selected with the filter. And essentially all this will do, if I put 3 here, and I select the misreads, inserted words, and missed words, any of those types of annotations, any misreads, any added words, or words left out in the narration, they'll be filtered out unless they contain 3 words. And I'll show you what that looks like. Before I hit filter there, I'm going to open up this proofing section again. We can see there's quite a few pickups in this section here.
Words accidentally added into the script by the narrator.
There's 1 word inserted here. There are 4 words that are missing from the script in this line.
Words missed from the script, of course.
And then a mispronunciation or misread right here. So if I go back to the project, I open up the annotation filter, I select misreads, inserted, and missed, and put that parameter to 3 words. If I hit filter, I'll get the confirmation message again. If I hit OK, you can see the status has changed on a lot of these different chapters. And if I open up that same section, we can see the pickup here and here has been ignored automatically, but this one's been left alone. And that's because this particular mistake contains 4 words, while the other ones only contained 1. So you can further customize what sort of pickups will be ignored. So that's how you use the annotation filter. One thing to note is if you are zoomed in Pozotron, so if I zoom in my screen here, that button will go away from the top just because there isn't enough room. If I scroll down and go to project settings, I'll find the annotation filter button here. So I can also access it from the project settings. And the last thing is to reset ignored annotations. I can click this, and this will basically just take off the filter that we've put on using this feature. So if I reset this, you can see these go back to normal. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to help@pozotron.com. We'll be happy to help you with anything else. And thanks for watching.